We are making the creamiest Oreo banana ice cream you've ever had. And yes, even the waffle bowl is homemade. Just 4 simple ingredients, no ice cream machine. Cut 2 ripe bananas into chunks and freeze them overnight. This is the secret to getting that ultra creamy ice cream texture. Now add 50 grams of cream cheese, 250 grams of heavy cream, a full can of sweetened condensed milk, and a touch of vanilla. Whip it all together until you have a rich, velvety mixture that's impossible to resist. Blend the frozen bananas with a few spoonfuls of the cream mixture until they are perfectly smooth and luscious. Trust me, this is where the magic starts. It should get thick, creamy, and just a little bit stretchy. Now, gently fold the blended bananas into the creamy mixture until everything comes together into a smooth base. Next, take a few Oreos cookies, crush them by hand, and fold them right into the mixture. Give it a gentle mix so the cookies stay chunky and evenly distributed. Pour the mixture into a sealed glass or metal container to help the cold spread evenly and ensure a smooth, creamy freeze. I covered the top with plastic wrap. There is an important trick, check the description. To make the waffle, whisk 2 egg whites with 80 grams of sugar and a touch of vanilla until fluffy. Add in 50 grams of melted butter, mix it through, then fold in 80 grams of all-purpose flour until you get a smooth batter. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk, little by little, mixing as you go until you reach a smooth, flowing consistency that's not too thin. Once your pan is warm, pour in half of the batter, spread it out quickly into an even layer, and cook it over medium heat. When the edges turn golden brown, flip it over. As soon as it's cooked, place it over the back of a bowl, cover it with a kitchen towel, and press it down gently so it sets into a perfect bowl shape. Once it's frozen overnight and fully set, let it sit out for about 7 minutes before scooping. It softens just enough to get those perfect easy scoops. If you enjoyed this ice cream, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to watch my previous videos for more easy, delicious desserts. Feel free to make the waffle bowls smaller. Add a little chocolate sauce and enjoy!